Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 2015 year model Maserati, and this is the Quattroporte, and I'm going to change the cabin air filter. I have the cabin air filter right here, and these are my two engine air filter which I replaced it, and I posted a video on my channel, so please check it out how to change engine air filter. So let's get started with the air filter. First you have to pop open the hood. On your passenger side you will see there are two tabs, and that's where the cabin air filter is located. So you open it, and this one, the long filter. So we're going to pry this one open just like that. You see those two small notches, those goes inside the holes. You basically twist it like this and it will open up, and that's the old filter. And we're going to pull this one out, and look at this, oh, ugly, dirty. So we're going to replace with the new one. And once we place it inside, we're going to keep the airflow numbers on the top, and we're going to press it down, and then we're going to close it. And that's how it's easy and simple you can change your cabin air filter. Now you will breathe the clean air inside your car. So I hope this video will help you out, and if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.